What do you think they call it? Brown ale.
No.
The one, the only Newcastle brown ale.
I'm gonna kiss that mouth tonight.
I'm gonna kiss you.
Queen!
I couldn't keep my accent for that.
Mary, it's your time.
Already?
It's your time.
Alright.